The world is changing. Cities are changing. Technology is driving this evolution. Imagine cities that are smarter, greener, and more efficient. This is not science fiction. This is the future knocking at our doorstep. In the coming decades, technology will reshape urban landscapes as we know them. From smart homes to driverless cars, our daily lives are on the cusp of a remarkable transformation. But with these advancements come crucial questions about sustainability, privacy, and accessibility for all. Let's embark on a journey to explore the exciting possibilities and potential challenges of future cities. Imagine this. You wake up, and your home automatically adjusts the lighting and temperature to your liking. As you head to the kitchen, your smart refrigerator suggests breakfast recipes based on its current inventory. This is the promise of smart homes, where technology anticipates your needs and simplifies daily routines. Smart homes will learn your preferences and automate tasks. Lighting, temperature, and appliances will respond to your voice commands or preset schedules. Imagine the convenience of controlling your entire home from a single device, even when you're miles away. But the true potential of smart homes extends beyond mere convenience. They can significantly enhance energy efficiency. Imagine a home that automatically adjusts its energy consumption based on your usage patterns and real-time energy prices, saving you money and reducing your carbon footprint. The future of urban living starts with smart homes, seamlessly connecting us to our surroundings and fostering a more sustainable lifestyle. Traffic jams could become a relic of the past. Self-driving cars are poised to revolutionize transportation in future cities. Imagine vehicles that navigate seamlessly through traffic, eliminating human error and optimizing fuel efficiency. But the transportation revolution doesn't stop there. High-speed Hyperloop trains could whisk passengers between cities at incredible speeds, making long-distance travel a breeze. These advancements promise to shrink distances and reshape urban mobility as we know it. Imagine a world where commuting is no longer a dreaded chore, but an opportunity to relax, work, or enjoy the scenery. Self-driving cars and Hyperloop trains represent a future where transportation is faster, safer, and more sustainable. Future cities will be powered by clean, renewable energy sources. Solar panels will adorn rooftops, capturing the sun's energy to power homes and businesses. Wind turbines will gracefully dot the urban landscape, harnessing the wind's power to generate electricity. These renewable energy sources will reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, mitigating climate change and creating healthier urban environments. But the transition to renewable energy goes beyond simply adopting new technologies. It requires a fundamental shift in how we design and build our cities. Imagine buildings that generate more energy than they consume, becoming net energy producers rather than consumers. This is the vision of a sustainable future where cities coexist in harmony with the environment. Global pioneers, cities leading the charge. Around the world, cities are already embracing these technological advancements and paving the way for a smarter future. Songdo, South Korea, is a prime example of a city built on smart technology, from traffic management systems to energy-efficient buildings. In Copenhagen, Denmark, cycling is not just a mode of transport, but a way of life. The city's extensive cycling infrastructure and commitment to sustainability have earned it the title of one of the world's most livable cities. From Singapore's vertical gardens to Amsterdam's ambitious plans for a car-free city center, innovation is flourishing in urban centers worldwide. These cities serve as inspiring examples of how technology can be harnessed to create more sustainable, efficient, and livable urban environments. The data dilemma: balancing progress and privacy. As cities become smarter and more connected, the issue of data privacy takes center stage. Sensors and smart devices will generate vast amounts of data about our daily lives, raising concerns about how this information might be used. Striking a balance between technological progress and the protection of individual privacy is paramount. Clear regulations and ethical frameworks are essential to ensure that data is used responsibly and transparently. Citizens must have confidence that their personal information is safeguarded as they navigate this increasingly digitized urban landscape. The environmental equation: sustainability in the smart city. While technological advancements offer exciting possibilities for future cities, we cannot overlook the potential environmental impacts. The production and disposal of electronic devices, the energy required to power smart systems, and the resources needed to build these technological marvels must be carefully considered. Sustainability must be at the forefront of urban planning. We must prioritize energy-efficient designs, promote circular economies that minimize waste, and invest in green infrastructure to create cities that are as environmentally friendly as they are technologically advanced. Bridging the gap, ensuring equal access to innovation. As we venture into the era of smart cities, it's crucial to ensure that technological advancements benefit everyone, not just a select few. The digital divide, the gap between those who have access to technology and those who don't, must be bridged to prevent further social and economic inequalities. Equitable access to education, digital literacy programs, and affordable internet connectivity are essential to empower all citizens to participate in the digital economy and benefit from the opportunities offered by smart technologies. A truly inclusive smart city leaves no one behind, ensuring that everyone can thrive in this technologically advanced environment. Building the future, together, a vision of hope. The future of cities is brimming with possibilities. Technology has the potential to transform urban living, making it more sustainable, efficient, and enjoyable. But realizing this vision requires careful planning, collaboration, and a commitment to ethical considerations. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new era, let's work together to build cities that are not only technologically advanced, but also equitable, sustainable, and designed to enhance the well-being of all citizens. The future is ours to create, and by embracing both the possibilities and the challenges that lie ahead, we can build cities that are truly worthy of the generations to come.